Today I'm going to show you how to make my Goodnight sleep tea. When you're winding down for the evening, maybe your mind's a little bit restless and you're looking for something natural that's going to calm your nerves, calm your nervous system. This is going to be your go-to herbal tea. And I'm showing you how to make a cup of your own at home. So today we are in the kitchen making our Goodnight sleep tea. We're making a single cup version today so that you can make this easily at home. The herbs I'm going to be using today is skullcap, passion flower, lemon balm, peppermint, and chamomile. These are a perfect combination to help you calm and soothe the nervous system. So I'll let you know a little bit of the secret. You can drink this anytime your nervous system needs a reset. Anytime you need some calming in your life, this is going to be a good herbal tea, a good go-to. So let's talk a little bit about each individual herb and why they pair so well in the blend to help calm your nervous system. Chamomile is actually a nervine, great for calming the nervous system. It is a naturally sedative herb. It's also very anti-inflammatory. It's one of my favorite herbs to use. So a nervine is an herb that supports the nervous system. It helps the body release tension, it calms the mind, and really just helps you settle into sleep, which makes it a perfect combination of herbs to use at nighttime. Sometimes I use it in the middle of the day when my nervous system is just overstimulated and you need a calming reset. It's a great tea for that. Lemon balm is a great nervine as well, but it's great for calming the nervous system. It's also antiviral. This herb is just one that I love to have around. Lemon balm balances out, and it's a very relaxing herb, and it's an amazing nervine to have in your tea. Passion flower really helps to quiet a busy, overactive mind. That's why I wanted to include it. It's going to ease those racing thoughts, and it supports a really deep, restful sleep. It also is great for calming that emotional overwhelm. You know, when your emotions are running wild and you just need something to bring you down a level. Passion flower is going to be your best friend. It's just going to help to naturally soothe that nervous system. And it's one of my favorite herbs because it helps to clear and calm that mental chatter. You know, when you can't shut your mind off, you've got those racing thoughts, you're thinking about a million different things that you don't need to be thinking about. Passion flower is that herb that's going to bring it down for you. And it's traditionally been known for anxiety, stress, sleeplessness. This one, grab it for your home herbal pantry. Skullcap, it's going to release that tension in the body. So that stored, built up tension, skullcap is good for releasing that. It also calms an overstimulated nervous system, which is why I love to pair skullcap and passion flower together. It's going to ease that muscle tightness from stress. You know how when you tense up and your shoulders come up around your ears? Skullcap is going to help release and relax. So it really supports that deeper relaxation and just allows the body to let go before bedtime. Skullcap's going to be an amazing herb for when you're wired, but you're exhausted, you're tired, you want to get some sleep. And peppermint. Peppermint can be a little bit stimulating. So you may wonder, why is it in this blend with calming herbs? So peppermint supports digestion. So when your digestion is supported and calm, your nervous system can relax. Because I know if I have a stomach ache or my stomach's bothering me, I'm tense all over and tight. Peppermint really helps to support that digestion and really just helps us to overall relax, because when our stomach muscles are relaxed, our digestive tract is relaxed, then that allows the rest of the body to relax. It's going to be that nice finishing touch for that digestive system. We are going to measure out our herb. This is the exact ratio that I use in my Goodnight sleep tea. So if you're like, Amber, I don't have these herbs at home, I want the easy button, go to my website, Skin Soul Rituals, and you can purchase your own from there, pre-blended, ready to go. It makes about 15 to 20 cups depending on how strong you like your tea. So we're going to start out, we're going to use skullcap. So we're going to do a half a teaspoon of skullcap, half a teaspoon of lemon balm, fourth of a teaspoon passion flower, fourth a teaspoon of chamomile, an eighth of a teaspoon of peppermint. 1 cup. You're going to heat your water. We're going to pour over those. nice herbs that we blended together. So I also sell these celestial tea strainers. They got little suns and moons I absolutely love on the website, so you can check those out as well. I'm gonna let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes ideally is what you're gonna let that sit for, and then you're gonna drink it about 30 minutes before bedtime. Or like I said, you can drink this anytime during the day when your nervous system just needs a reset, you need a moment of calm. This is a good go-to. So it's been about 10 minutes. It's a nice golden color. It's a little bit floral. This gives the perfect balance of calming, grounding, and soothing herbs without the overpowering flavor. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you'll be able to set your intention, relax, and let the herbs do its magic. And it's so good. It's a little bit floral, it's a little bit mint. It's the perfect combination of herbs. So for any time of day, but especially at nighttime. If you want to hit the easy button and you need something fast, go grab it off my website. I usually ship it within 2 to 3 days of you ordering it, sometimes same day if I can. And it has all of these herbs, amazing flavor, and it helps you get a good night's sleep. But also it's a very calming tea. But you can also go and grab these herbs at your local store and make your own. So Skin Soul Rituals is all about candles, herbal tea, and skincare. All things self-care to help you unwind, to help you de-stress, and to treat medicinally, herbally, naturally. Let me know in the comments if you like this video, if you want to see more of this, and also if you subscribe, it really helps me out. I'll see you in the next one.